Hi, here's a video about how to convert a photo into passport photo size easily using PicWish. To begin, simply go to PicWish's image cropper tool and upload the picture to use. After that, click crop and select passport photo. Adjust a frame to the center and click apply. You can then click download to save the image on local disk. Next is to change the image background by going back to PicWish's main page and upload the processed picture. Once uploaded, click background and choose the color that you need for your passport picture. Now when you're done, simply click the download button to save the changes made. And that's how you can easily convert your photo into passport photo size. Thanks for watching.